Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So something a little bit different today. It's match day. Liverpool are playing West Ham. It's about an hour before kick, hour and a half before kick off, something like that. So I'm starting at St George's Church. I'm going to have a little fly. I'm not going to go right by the ground because it's against the law to fly my drone that close to crowds. So I'm going to get as close as I'm allowed, and we'll have a little zoom in around the grounds. Well, to see what we can see from the air and take it from there. Okay, so this is St George's Church. I've been here before. And this is the surrounding area. And there's Anfield. So we'll take the drone off in that direction. Let's get some more height. So I won't get much closer than that now. So there we are, match day outside the Cop. Still about an hour before kick-off, so I'll just see how this video goes, and I might come up a little closer to kick-off and see. There's the so I was down at the coach. I'll put the footage now of the players getting on the coach. And the coach should be in now. Yeah, that's where the coach will have gone in. Yeah, the coach will be in now. Let's see. Lots of people milling round. Still over an hour before kick-off. And that's the Cop there. It's a little bit windy today as well, so needs to be a little bit cautious. So what we'll do, we'll have a little look inside the grounds. I'm not going to move around too much either. There's fans in already. There's the upper tier, hopefully ready for the Everton match. So let's zoom out. I'll come round a touch. Trying to have a look at the away section, see if the away fans are in yet. I don't think the West Ham fans are in yet. So let's have a look from here. Oh, there's some West Ham fans in. Yeah, so they're going to have a good. Looks like they've got all their allocation, the West Ham fans, because there's the divider where it says foundation there, and then everything to the left is West Ham fans, is the away section. Yeah, so I was going to get some drone footage of the players getting on the coach and the coach leaving and stuff, but it started raining when I was down there, so I didn't get anything drone wise. I just got that footage that you've just seen. So let's have a look down here. This is Kenny's angle east side. Yeah, just see how these videos go, and then I'll come down closer to kick-off, let's say like half an hour before kick-off. And get some, it'll be busier down there to get better footage. Just gives you an idea of the area from the air. And let's have a look. Yeah, and try and have a look at the the 12th man, but I can't quite get the angle for it. No, it's not going to work for me here. I'm allowed to go another 20 metres in the air, but that's not going to do much for me, yeah. So I'm at my maximum height now, and it's not doing a lot for me, footage-wise. And there's that patch of land, that's called Anfield Square at the moment. I think it's still up for tender. I'm not sure it's being sold yet.
I'm not telling you off the record.
Yeah, no, it's all right, mate.
Are you flying a drone?
Yeah.
What would be the chances of us? What are you flying it for?
What? Sorry.
What are you flying it for? Is it for the church?
Yeah. Sorry, no, it's for the Anfield.
Oh right. Okay.
Just want to stand here, just so I can keep it in sight of the thing.
No, I was going to say, if you were doing some stuff for the church, could we get a copy of the footage?
No, yeah, you know what? I've done some for the church before. I've been in and spoke to people about flying my drone. Yeah. You know what? Let me just.
Yeah, go on. I'll let you do that.
Yeah.
No, we would just kind of like to putting a welcome video together, and I'd love to get like just even like a little aerial shot of it.
Yeah, no, I could do some. I'll do some footage for you for free. Yeah.
Would you?
Yeah, because I come in last time because I wanted to get some footage of flying to Anfield from here, and everyone was dead nice to me in there.
Can I leave my email with you then, or something?
Yeah.
Or do you want to drop it?
I can pop in. There's people here on a Thursday. Are you here on Thursdays? Because remember, people said you were here on Thursdays.
Sometimes on a Thursday. The best days are the best days are either Friday mornings, Thursday afternoons if you want to leave something there. Just taking stuff in for the pantry.
Yeah.
But yeah, mate, that would be amazing because.
Yeah, no, I'll sort it out for you because he said that it's all right to fly me drone with me, and he was dead nice to me.
Yeah, no, he's good. He's good.
Because I was going to. Cause I've got a YouTube channle, that's why I'm doing it.
Sorry. Right. Sorry to interrupt.
No, it's fine, it's alright. But I was going to...
Gosh, is that the view now, is it, yeah?
Yeah.
That's incredible.
Great, isn't it?
That is amazing.
Look how much you can zoom in.
Oh, wow. So you can just see the people coming in, like... Brilliant.
So that's why it's perfect to fly from here. And
yeah.
I don't have to worry about getting close to the ground and getting in trouble.
Yeah.
But, because I wanted to do a little interview with them because they had some really interesting stories about going to match back in like the 60s and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So I wanted to do a little sit-down interview with them. For my YouTube channel. But
yeah.
No, I'll sort that out. I won't do it today.
No. But like whenever, because
I'll pop up. Do you want to be quick?
I say we're looking to do just a little. This is St George's Church.
Yeah.
Like video little.
Yeah, no, I'll do a little fly around, put some music to it and that for you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no, it's fine, mate. Nice one. Yeah, thanks a lot, mate. Cheers. Right, sorry about that, guys. Someone from the church wanted to have a chat. They wanted me to do some footage for the church, which I'm going to do for free for them. I'm not going to charge the church because I know this church is in bad need of repair as well. Because I remember talking to someone last time, and I'll just have a little look around while I'm talking about this. Yeah, apparently it's about £1 million worth of repairs that need doing, and they can't get the funding because all the funding goes to the Anglican Cathedral, believe it or not, to keep that running. As I think that's what he said, and he said that they can't get the funding that they need to repair the church because of the Anglicans got, it's got a similar makeup. I think it's sandstone, I'm not too sure. But all the repairs go towards the Anglican because it's, it's a stone that doesn't last long. It's not exactly brick. It crumbles and it falls off the building, so yeah. So anyway, guys, that's my idea not going forward, but just another idea I've got for match days. I'm going to film when it's nice. I'll film the bus. I'll film the players getting on the bus. Obviously, I'm going to be a distance away. I'll be over the Mersey probably, zooming in to the players getting on the coach, and I'll follow the coach for a bit, and then I'll make my way up to St George's Church and I'll fly my drone from here. The people are dead nice here, they really are. Honest to God, I've never had a problem with them taking my drone off here. So I'll have a little fly back towards the church, let you see the church when I can find it. I don't know why I struggled seeing that so much then. It was right there in the centre of the screen. Let's lower the drone a touch and yeah, we'll have a little look around the church. So last time I made a video about the church, I said it was the highest point in Liverpool. It turns out it's not the highest point in Liverpool. It's Walton Reservoir. Apparently that's the highest point in Liverpool. But it's a great looking church. Now they used to do, to raise funds, they used to have tours going on. So you could get to the top of the church. But because of health and safety, they've been banned from doing that now. They're not allowed to do it. So yeah, I'll come down, I'll get some footage for the church for them, I'll give them for free. So they can get some publicity for the church. I've said church enough. But yeah, you were allowed on here to have a look around the city, but yeah, they're not allowed to do it anymore. To be fair, it's not looking the best up there, is it? But it is what it is. And that's why they need the funding. But yeah, guys, so there's Anfield, and that's something a little bit different. Let me know what you think. If you think it's boring, let me know. If you think it's more I should be doing, let me know. But I will be doing more. This is just a rough idea of what I wanted to do. Yeah, good look around the city. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Likes and comments are always appreciated. And apart from that, look after yourselves and speak to you all soon. Bye now.